Eicher is a brand that has not just excelled in the LCV segment but has become synonymous with the term truck. This is a remarkable achievement. Eicher has a rich culture, strong ethics, and an unwavering dedication to solve the problem of its customers. The research and development team is truly exceptional, brimming with passion, and currently engaged in groundbreaking work on hydrogen engines. In a recent visit, we had the privilege of witnessing the entire process from the inception of engines to the meticulous assembly of truck bodies and the final painting stage. It was a truly enlightening experience. What made this experience even more special was sharing it with the incredible community of women transporters who proudly call them women transporters. The passion and dedication to their business were nothing short of inspiring. This journey meant a lot to us, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the entire Eicher team for opening their doors and sharing their expertise with us. Girish sir, nothing would have been possible without you. Thank you so much for thinking and for inviting us.